Today I'm going to share with you how to make a professional shawarma wrap. Guys, this recipe, it was so amazing, very easy to achieve, and you can try it with your family. They will love it so much. So all you need to do is to follow this procedure. So guys, let's get started. At this point, I'm adding all-purpose flour, and after that I add water. So guys, this recipe doesn't require much ingredient. It's only 2 ingredients you achieve a perfect shawarma wrap. So at this point I'm mixing it. You can see as I'm mixing it very well. So at this point I'm going to transfer it into a surface area so it can be easy for me to roll with my hand. So guys, this recipe is very easy. You can achieve it very easy, and it will come out very perfect if you follow this procedure. So at this point I have finished mixing it, so guys, at this point I'm going to cover it with a plastic and also with a kitchen towel and allow it to rest for 10 minutes. So guys, this is me losing the nylon after 10 minutes. So next I'm going to do now is to divide into a smaller size. So guys, this recipe, it is very easy, very easy. You can achieve it without buying it in the market. It's very easy, trust me. So guys, after dividing it into the sizes I want, so what I'm going to do is to fold it into a round form. You see as I'm folding it. So this is how you are going to fold it to achieve a perfect shawarma wrap. At this point, after rolling it, what I'm going to do next is to rub oil on the round form of each of them. This is to make it to avoid steaming when you are joining it together. So guys, I have finished rubbing oil. So what I'm going to do is to take each and press it with my hand into a round form and do the next the same. So what I'm going to do is to join them together. Then unroll it with a rolling stick. You see how I'm rolling it? Guys, what I'm doing now is I'm using my pot cover to achieve the round, the same round shaped of the shawarma wrap. So this is what I'm doing. You see, it looks decent size. So what I'm going to do is to roll it back to the stick, then and transfer into a frying pan. You see how you are going to roll it to achieve a perfect shawarma wrap. At this point I'm going to transfer into a cooker, then I will be turning it after 10 minutes. See how I'm turning it? Then I want to separate it from each other. So at this point, when the shawarma wrap is ready, then it can be easy to separate from each other. You see how I got it? It looks so amazing. So this is how the perfect shawarma wrap supposed to be. It looks so amazing. So guys, you can try it with your family. It's very easy, very easy to achieve. This is how to make a perfect shawarma wrap. Very easy. This is homemade and very perfect. So guys, this is how the outcome of this shawarma wrap. It looks so amazing. Just try this method and you will get a perfect one like this, and let me know in the comment section. you need to do is to share this video for other one to learn how to make a perfect and professional tortilla shawarma wrap. It is very easy. You can achieve it at home without buying it in the market, and make it with your family. Your family will love it so much. So guys, this is the end of this video. Share it and also like and follow my page if you have not. See you next for my next video. Bye.